up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're putting something small on the Silverado that I hope will make a pretty big difference, and that is a set of spiked lug nuts. Now, I've been thinking about putting spiked lug nuts on this truck for like a year, but some trucks I don't think look good with them, some trucks I do think look good with them, and I almost picked up a set when we were down in Daytona for Truck Week. At a hell of a deal too, but I didn't, and I regretted that, so I finally picked up a set on Black Friday, and we're going to go into more detail about what spike lug nuts I picked here in a minute. But yeah, we're putting spiked lug nuts on the truck, but not on these wheels. Not on these wheels, and not on these wheels either, but we're going to be putting them on the old Black Rhinos. The problem is, it's raining in PA. It's going to be raining for like the next 3 days, so we have to load up these wheels and the jack and the impact and all that up in the truck, and we're going to another location. Now, this week's video was supposed to be on these wheels here, but I ran into a little situation where we're missing the hub-centric rings, and I don't want the weight of the truck just resting on the lug nut studs. So hopefully within the next week or two we get the rings in, and we're going to be doing a video with these wheels, so please stay tuned in the next week or two. And the reason why we're going somewhere else is because my truck will not fit in my garage. Hell, I barely fit in my garage. I can't even stand underneath my door. So we're going to get the wheels and tires loaded up in the truck and go for the ride. Alright, now while we're cruising real quick, I had a couple things I did want to go over with you, if that's okay. Number one, please stay tuned if you want to see this truck transform a little bit. I'm stacking up on mods for this truck. A lot of stuff is getting to my house already. I'm working on some deals with some specific companies. I wouldn't be able to do this stuff without you guys, so a big thank you to everyone who does come back and watch this channel and support me every single week. Throughout the rest of December and into January, this truck is going to be taking a transformation, you know, like the way it looks, the way it sounds, the way it drives, all of that stuff. So a big thank you. And then a real quick disclaimer, I guess it is the holiday season, so I'm trying my hardest to get a video out for you guys every single week on Wednesdays. That is my typical upload, Wednesdays at 6 p.m. Being Christmas and New Year's and all that, I may miss a week or two, and I apologize, but I'm not going anywhere. The Silverado isn't going anywhere. We have plenty of mods to come, and I'm super excited for it, so please stay tuned. Number two, MOTIV8D merch. MOTIV8D Apparel, what I have on right now, my hat, my hoodie. Just a quick update, you know, we do have a website up and running now. Check that out up in this corner here or in the description below. Once again, I just kind of wanted to say thank you to those of you who have been supporting the brand thus far. We are growing, and I'm super excited about that. For those of you who don't know, MOTIV8D Apparel is kind of my merch line for this YouTube channel, because without motivation, you can't really do much in life. But if you have the right motivation and you are motivated, you can pretty much do anything you set your mind to it, and that is a fact. So just kind of wanted to touch base with y'all and, you know, say thank you once again. Alright, so we made it to where I am doing this. I have room on both sides. I have room up and down, and just back half the truck in, do the rear half, turn it around, do the front. So this is what I ended up picking up on Black Friday. If you can see, if the camera focuses nicely, this is 24 chrome spiked lug nuts from Custom Offsets. Now originally they're $140 for 5 and 6 slug wheels, but for Black Friday they had all of these plus a super deep socket to install these. Had all that for $112, so to me, you couldn't beat it. I went with chrome just because I think chrome's gonna look the best. I can't really set that in there, but these wheels have like a chrome accented nut, you know, along the entire rim of it. I didn't want to do black because my wheels are matte. These would have been shiny. I think it would look kind of weird, so I think it's going to look kind of good. These are going to kind of accent those chrome nuts along the outside. I don't know. Let's just do the install and we'll see how she looks. Pause. Hell yeah. I mean, I only got one on, and that already looks badass. Very happy with the results. See, I bought chrome lug nuts, but with all this black deep dish surrounding, they kind of look like a chrome black anyways. That's pretty dope. Hell yeah, I like that. Let me get these other 3 on, and then we'll get some sweet B-roll. Alright guys, and that's it, all wrapped up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think they look pretty cool. You really can't tell how chrome they are being surrounded by such a black deep dish wheel. They kind of look like they are chrome black, and that was the whole intent, the whole purpose, the whole idea here. I like them. I think they really finish this wheel off pretty nice, especially with the chrome bolt along the rim of the dish here. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think about the lug nuts. I think they look good. A small aesthetic part plays a big role in the appearance of your vehicle. Please stay tuned for next week as we're going to show you those other wheels. Hopefully if I get those hub-centric rings in. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe, join the family, join the builds, and I'll see you next week. Peace.